Alright, let's do a video. I bought this drag specialties breather kit. It's going to go in under here, and hopefully it won't drip and it won't suck oil in. Got this on. Notice one thing. I've been running this thing and there's a hole right here, and I'd always made sure that hole worked. Well, that hole just goes to the outside, so I've been sucking in cruddy air for God knows how long. Well, anyway, my other one, they'd slotted it so the hole would work. Well, if you got a hole and something going right there, don't use it. Now, they give you this kit. There's a bolt, there's some little plastic washers, there's this piece. Alright, thing they don't show you, this, that, there. Oh, there's a chrome washer. Put it out. See right there, you got your little aluminum piece. Put it like so. Then, the best I could figure, you take this other one with another little plastic washer, put it like so. Now, if you look up in here, there's a plastic washer behind, and then this is supposed to go in here. Their directions totally suck a big one. And anyway, so I'm going to take it back off and I'm going to Loctite it. I know you can't hear the sound with this camera. I can edit it better than I can my other one. I'm a poor boy. Yeah, I ride a Harley. That's why I'm a damn poor boy. HD does stand for $100. Well, anyway, this hose will come up, and then there'll be a little filter hanging down at the bottom of it. I got to get all that done. Remember the bracket? This is 05 Delphi fuel injection system, and you only need the 3 holes. It comes with a gasket with a hole for here. It doesn't really go anywhere, but I made my own gaskets because, well, I got a boatload of material to make crap with for Harley golf carts and stuff like that I mess with. Okay, I got it done. If you'll notice, I put bolts in here to hold this in place. I'm going to use these when I put the hypercharger back on it. Like I said, this is the bolt. There's a chrome washer. There's an aluminum spacer with a little nipple, whatever you want to call it, sticking out, and it fits inside this to hold this in line. There's a thin plastic washer that goes on it. There's one just like it on the back side, but it goes to hold this straight in the hole. And then there's another plastic washer that goes on the back side, so to keep it sealed off so trash won't be getting in there. And then you come down and you have this in here. So instead of sucking oil up into your intake, you suck air in through this, and you don't have to worry about the oil getting sucked up in your motor, making it, well, nice and black and dirty and grungy. Okay, what else are we going to say? I got to put the hypercharger back on. Like I said, later on I'll probably put some brass hose, well, not hose, but covering to make it look brass, and I'm going to do that in this one too. But that's just my personal taste, because I'm sick of black and chrome Harleys. I mean, that's been your 2 options. So I went a little bit different. Brass here, brass there. That's actually a plumbing tube. Chrome tube for your plumbing supply with ferrule rings, fittings, more brass. Yeah, so we'll get the hypercharger back on, and I'll let you see it. Okay, here's the hypercharger I've got, which I actually bought this off eBay. I had the hypercharger, I got the filter, and I've got the diaphragm crap on it. Well, it didn't come with this, so I went and cut the thing out. Why? Because it's got to go right there, and guess what? That's right where your remote breather thing goes. See, it'll fit right in there now. Everything's out of the way. Yes, I don't know if you can see that or not. You can see right in there. See where that sits? That's where this stupid diaphragm thing was. Now they made this, put butterflies on it, and make it look cool. A lot of sense took the butterflies out, cut me a piece of mesh, painted the inside part of it black, and then put this on it. Leave the center rod, that gives you your top and your bottom screw, and then the 2 where you actually have your air going, where you had didn't have your flaps, I'll put it that way, was chrome, and I just painted it black, put them on there like that. I think it looks better, and you don't have the vacuum leak or any of the junk to associate with the butterfly crap, because it really doesn't do anything, especially when I add the stinger back on it. Anyway, if you got a hypercharger and you want to put this Drag Specialties breather kit, you're going to have to get rid of the flap. Anyway, that's the main gist of it. I'll put everything on and we'll call it done.